What's up YouTube, TMZ1313 here. Today I just had my Epever Tracer series. They come in 20, 30, and 40 amp. This one is a 40 amp. Now I want to make this video because, not to bash this charge controller, because it's actually a really good charge controller. And I would recommend it to anyone that wants an MPPT charge controller. There is a small thing that isn't good about it, and I'm gonna talk about that. So most cars, boats, stuff like that, they're all negative ground, and what that means is that all the negatives are connected to each other, sometimes by the chassis or a bus or something. But for some reason, Epever, or this brand, because I know there's a different brand that has the same charge controller. For some reason, they have the 40 amp as all common positive. So all the positives are hooked up together. Now what that means is that you can't hook this directly to your car. Like say you want to charge your car's battery from a solar panel with this. You can't do that because your car is a negative ground. Everything's connected through the ground, and if you hook this up, it's gonna fry this thing right here. So with that being said, what can you do about it? So if you're thinking about buying this, I'm not gonna turn you away. If you do want the 40 amp though, they do not make a negative ground 40 amp. For what reason I do not know, but the 20 and 30 amps, they do make a negative ground now, and I will put a link in the description for you guys. So if you are interested in buying this, which I recommend you do because it's a good charge controller. I've had nothing but good experience with this. I've had it for over a year and a half. Put over 140 kilowatt hours through it, and it has never failed me once. So I will put a link in the description. But like I said, a 40 amp still comes in a positive ground. So with that being said, you're gonna need to look for a different charge controller if you need a 40 amp. But if you need a 20 amp or 30 amp, you're in luck because they're about 150 bucks, 150 to like 170, and it's a negative ground, and that's what you want with your system because inverters, really good inverters, they all take a negative ground. I have not found one with a positive ground. So with that being said, if you want a good system and you're going to plan on running AC off your system, you're definitely going to need to get a negative ground charge controller, which the 40 amp does not allow that. So I did get a new charge controller, and I'm gonna Outback, but yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell for notifications when I put up new videos. I have tons of videos coming up this summer. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.